Hi guys, my name is Yuri and today I will be doing an unboxing for you guys. Are you ready? Let's go. I've been waiting for this box forever. You guys have no idea how excited I am, and you guys are going to be just as excited as I am. Oh my god, guys, I love it. It's so cute. It's so soft, but not too soft. It's perfect. It's fitted for the ladies, which is very, very important. I love the blue, the Adrianas. I'm already thinking about my outfit. I'm gonna wear it with some black slacks, black heels, a belt, a cute little tuck in. I'm so excited. I know that my outfit is going to be on point. Oh my god, guys, I couldn't wait to try it on. Right now I'm wearing it with jeans, but I can't wait to wear it to work with some slacks. Thank you guys for coming on this unboxing with me. I had so much fun and I hope you did too. Go ahead and comment down below if you've seen your sales agent expert wearing this shirt already. And don't forget that every Wednesday we have a new episode on our YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe.